Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar. Let's talk about Capital Small Finance Bank. Management in their recent analyst meet said they are maintaining their asset quality in the agri portfolio. To discuss this and more and try to understand the business momentum in some of their geographies and the growth outlook as well, Sarvjit Singh Samra, the MD and CEO of SFB of Capital Small Finance Bank, is joining us now. Mr. Samra, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining in. Well, I was looking at some data. I was looking at some data. You have become the fourth largest bank in terms of number of branches in Punjab, which is around 152 branches out of the 175 that you have are in Punjab. There have been a lot of unrest with respect to loans there in terms of the Qarz Mukti Andolan as well. Just wanted to understand what has the impact been of that. Does Punjab continue to remain the big focal point going ahead as well?
Sonal, if you see, like, we are into secured lending and we are into middle income group segment. Like, we are not there at the bottom of the pyramid. Like, we cater to middle income group and the income level starting from 4 lakhs to 50 lakhs that we define internally. And you would appreciate we have not seen anything of such even in the Punjab book. During the period we are discussing and talking. I like to just give you a couple of data points, like even the GNPA number has improved to 2.7 from 2.8 from the previous quarter to the Q1. And similarly, the net NPA also has improved from 1.4 it was earlier and 1.3. So in the type of lending into which we are, we have not seen any such thing or any impact of any kind of that. And with regard to, say, going forward, of course, now we are expanding out of Punjab. We are into 5 states. Recently, we have added Jammu region from the Union Territory of J&K when we opened a 179th branch a few days back. And we are expanding to other areas and, of course, to other states where already we have footprint, like states like Rajasthan, Haryana. We are making a strong presence. So going forward, like majority of the branches are going to be out of Punjab in our expansion going forward.
Mr. Samra, just to get back to Punjab a little bit, Punjab right now, what the ground feedback indicates that it has been a focal area of unrest as far as the MFI sector is concerned. So first question, have you faced any issues in terms of collections? Number one, has there been any change in terms of borrowers repaying their loans after the Qarza Mukti Andolan? And have you seen any stress in your portfolio as far as Punjab is concerned? We are talking about Q2 here.
Vivek, even like we have also, in the past, we have been hearing something about MFI, as you mentioned, in Punjab, and that also in couple of districts. But if you, frankly speaking, if you see our portfolio, we haven't, it's going on as the things were going smoothly. Nothing of that sort. And Qarza Mukti Andolan and all is not, we have not heard any voice of that kind of thing around. So there was some stress in the MFI portfolio, and that also confined to couple of districts only. And otherwise we have a zero direct microfinance exposure. Maybe that's a reason even we have not heard those noises as well. But positively, we are positive about Punjab in every respect, even in business growth and even on collection efficiency as well.
Okay, so what has the collection efficiency numbers been like? If you can just give, of course, not the exact data for Q2 maybe, but what has it been like so far in Punjab, since it's the biggest geography? And now that you're talking about expansion plans, say 2 to 3 years down the line, how much would Punjab contribute as a percentage of your overall book, and how much would go out of Punjab if there is a guidance or there's a target that you've set internally?
No, if we see, so actually just to give a background to that, when we converted, we were a local area bank and our branches were confined only to 5 districts of Punjab. Even Punjab is 22 districts. The number that you shared earlier with our presence and number of branches in Punjab. So after conversion, we have expanded a lot in Punjab along with other states like Haryana, 5 other states where we are increasing our footprint. So presently, if we see, are about 81% of the advances are still in Punjab. Since the reason being that after conversion, we have expanded a lot in Punjab itself. So we were only in 5 districts. But going ahead, as I mentioned, majority of the business is, the branches are going to be out of Punjab, and it's a journey. Say we are into a branch-led retail, branch-led business model, where like the business, it's a journey and it takes some time to build business, branches to get mature and all the branches that, of course, we started opening right there after when we converted. I'm talking about the financial year 17 to other states. And many of the branches are turning to be matured branches there, where they are giving excellent results, and that is why the percentage of loans in other states in increasing. This will keep on increasing. But it's
Mr. Samra, if you could quantify that, currently, at the start of Q1, you were at 177 branches. You just said that your 179th branch was in Jammu and Kashmir. You've stated publicly that you want to be at 200 branches at the end of FY25, and you've said that Haryana will be your focus as far as the next leg of growth is concerned. For the remainder of the 21 branches, could you give us the geographical breakup as to where exactly they will come up?
I'll just share with you, Vivek. 8 branches are in the pipeline in Haryana. We are 16 now. This will take a count to 24 in Haryana. Where Haryana, we have started going in depth also. We have, last year we opened rural branch also. This year we plan to open even an unbanked rural in Punjab. So we are going in deep also into Haryana. Rajasthan, we have 3 branches and we are adding 3 more in Rajasthan. Jammu, we have started with 1 branch, but we are adding 2 more branches in Jammu region itself. So these are the branches which are going to come out of Punjab. And there is going to be some expansion in the current year in Punjab itself. But majority of the branches are going to be out of Punjab.
All right. Thank you so much for that breakup, Mr. Samra. Last question before we let you go. There are a lot of questions, but paucity of time. Do you intend to apply for the universal banking license? By when? And how would that change things for your company?
Sonal, like, say if we see there are guidelines now set for by the regulator. So we tick all the boxes, whatever the asks are there from the regulator, other than the NNPA, where like we are moving towards a right trajectory, like from Q4 of the last financial year's quarter to this Q1, we have improved it from 1.4 to 1.3. But I still feel that it will take about 9 months to a year from now, where we'll be able to bring this down all to 1%, below 1%, which is again a tick box. And after that, say we'll take a call when we are looking forward for this to apply for a universal license. But still, I think it's a journey and we are on the right track. It will take some more time for us.
Mr. Samra, to get to that level of net NPA that you're mentioning, in the next 3 quarters, what is the kind of additional provisioning you will have to take, and what will be the hit as far as the PAT is concerned? And FY26, can we expect you to transform into a universal bank?
Sonal, there's a downslide going in GNPA and NNPA also. So the maximum slide down, say, when I mentioned about 9 to 12 months from now, is going to come from there there only, instead of taking a hit on say provisioning and on the PAT itself. So I'm very confident that because we are into secured lending, and we for recovery also we apply a resolution approach, where like we cover the amount, because since earlier also I've shared with you in my last interaction with you that we don't sell NPAs and we don't do writes-off. So by the recovery mechanism, it's working on very well. Recovery is perfectly working well, and I am quite hopeful that rather than taking a hit on the balance sheet, we'll be able to reach to that level. And we are very much near. Very much dear.
Okay.
And moving towards the right trajectory.
Okay, Mr. Samra, good luck with your plans. Good luck with the expansion plans as well. We'll speak to you very soon again after your Q2 numbers are out as well. With that, we'll slip into a short... Thank you so much for joining in. With that, we will take a break, come back and talk about our mid-cap spotlight.